G'day everyone, Mark here. Just want to give you a very quick update on the Cadillac Seville. I went and saw Ray the other day on the 57 Ford F250. Check out that playlist for the latest episode and follow along on the restoration of that. But also this Cadillac Seville, haven't even driven yet. It's giving me a bit of grief. Fuel injection issues, so I've got some new injectors for it and dropped it back to Ray's. And look, just a very quick update on the old Cadillac Seville. Maybe one day I'll even get to drive it. So got the Cadillac Seville back with Ray. He's so happy to see it again. I still haven't driven the bloody thing.
Just turn the switch off for me.
Yep. It's got a kill switch there. It's not starting, so it's giving us grief. I've got new injectors and fuel pumps and everything else for it, so hopefully we can get the thing sorted. So I'm going to see if the injectors are working. You let me know when you're ready and I'll turn the lever so we can see whether the injectors are providing any fuel. I've got new injectors if it's not.
Trouble is they might work now and then not later. I'll do this so I can
Okay.
do both.
It's doing something. Not spraying any fuel?
Working, but there's no petrol.
No fuel?
So no fuel. So
Is that because it's got fuel in the tank, it hasn't got through the fuel lines or something? Or
no, as soon as they're activated,
it should
inject fuel, which is like a choke, if you like.
So no fuel's coming through?
Not right at the moment, no.
Right, okay.
Just turn it on again.
Yep.
And off. On again. No juice.
Okay, so no fuel. Hence no run. All right, well, the Cadillac is back.
Unfortunately.
Unfortunately, what are you saying? I know it's not a Datsun, but... All right, shall we put it into its position? Okay. A very quiet car. It's almost like an electric car. I am pushing, by the way, for the viewers. Is that enough? All right. It looks terrific. Just, it's quiet.
So using the eye of the beholder.
Well, I like it. You don't like the look of it?
Not the back.
Not the back?
It's like it's not finished or something.
Like an elephant sat on it.
Or something just not quite right about it. Something unfinished.
Well, that's why I bought it. I like the back of it. It is one of those love it or hate it designs. Yeah.
Look at the front, the side, the roof line, everything's good.
Well, it's like your Jag. You've got the same back as a Jag.
Yeah.
Just the front's a bit different. All right. All right, Ray. Well, thanks very much. And I'll come and see you again shortly and we'll work out the next steps. All right.